I go by Julian Alexander, my artist name, and I've been a traveling artist for over a decade now. Music festivals and other events like that. I was very big into animation and illustration. COVID was really that great pause, and it gave me a different lens to look through. It really pushed that transition to painting and finding that patience with myself to kind of start a whole new craft. During COVID, I thought I could become a ultra marathon runner, 100-mile races. I would have to do 13 miles, no water. You know, I was to the point where I only wanted to bleed in the end, you know. So it wasn't a very healthy hobby for me or a very healthy pursuit.
Okay, so we're gonna work on the lower extremities down and then a little bit of the back and neck.
Yes.
Okay.
Awesome.
So let's do that then.
Awesome.
And now we focus on this root chakra and
root chakra.
Root chakra and
sacral.
sacral chakra. Chakra.
All right, now I gotta prepare for pain.
Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't hurt?
A little bit, yeah. Is that the IT band on the outside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Relax into it. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You have to do this very slowly. This one we're targeting more, and then the pressure is really good.
I mean,
Okay, inhale, big one. Exhale, release. Think about like a wet noodles. There you go. Exhale. Inhale, relax. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe in.
One second. It's painful, but it's good. Wow. That was intense.
Yeah. Last one.
You say like a dry sponge.
Yeah.
That's my muscles.
Yeah, a dry sponge. Exhale. Okay, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let go. Inhale. Exhale.
Yep.
So when it's dry, the muscle's dry, not getting enough oxygen or blood supply. That's what's so tender or sore like that. So we need to break it up slowly. But you cannot break it up just doing this. You have to just, like kneading it, like making a dough. Yeah. But it takes time.
Yeah.
It takes time. But you have to start somewhere.
It feels like 100 degrees hot. Like pins and needles. But really good. Like a good pain.
Good pain.
Yeah.
Cool. We're softening it. That's what
Okay.
we're doing, eh?
Yeah.
Last one. Up. Relax into it, okay?
Okay.
Relax.
Wow.
Yeah.
I feel like a lot of cracking too.
Yeah, you hear that?
Yeah.
A lot.
I don't know where that's coming from, but
So your root chakra is right there sitting on the bed. So now we're opening it through this.
it's like a wrestling move.
Yeah. It is.
Whoa. That was so painful, but so good.
It's so good, huh?
So good.
Okay, inhale.
Wow.
Interlace.
I'm gonna be able to do the splits when I leave here.
Okay, inhale. It's okay?
Yep.
Give your hands. Grab it. Can you stretch?
Yep. I feel it all the way down. Shoulders down to my legs.
Up. Drop your head. Relax. Relax. Lot of warm.
Heat, yeah,
Yes.
a lot of heat.
Release.
It's almost like liquid. It feels like water,
Yep.
like hot water.
That's the
Yeah.
stagnation, energy.
Yeah.
That coming up.
Yeah.
Because when I'm moving you in a different position,
Yeah.
because we're always same position.
It's hard for me to even use the foam roller on that area.
The foam, yeah.
Now that you loosen me up, I feel.
Yeah, that's the root chakra. It's the groin.
Yeah.
Releasing it, and then the heat evaporate. Inhale. Exhale. Shake. Release. Release slowly. Inhale. Release. Inhale. Big one. Release. Okay.
Oh.
Inhale. Exhale. Okay, we're done.
Wow.
Thank you for coming to Milo Bodywork.
Amazing. Wow. Definitely a lot of releasing there. My hands were vibrating the whole time.
Yes.
Like my fingertips still, like it was coming out, my toes and my fingertips. Wow, amazing.
Okay, my friend,
Amazing.
thank you for
Yeah,
coming.
thank you. I appreciate it so much.
My background is I'm Filipino, and we practice ancient healing techniques in the Philippines. And I added more modalities around Asia, East Asia. And so I would like to share that knowledge and skills and technique. Happy universe!